What's up, guys? Another beautiful day in paradise. Just leaving Iloilo, had a phenomenal time. On to the next adventure. And the next chapter of this adventure, it only gets better. I'm psyched. So the plan is to go to Boracay eventually. I was thinking of going straight there. Started looking on the map and I saw some really interesting things on the west coast of Panay Island. The island that Iloilo is on, a province called Antique. There's a little island off the coast there that looks phenomenal. I'm psyched. We're gonna head there. We're gonna check it out, and then Boracay, and then Romblon Island. Oh my God, I'm excited. It's gonna be a good time. Let's do this. Let's go. Let's hold hands. Skipping to some islands together. Woo! It's a rainy day for a road trip, guys, and I must say, I'm loving having the car right now. Don't think I'd want to be on the motorbike. We made it to beautiful, sunny Antique, the land of rain. Oh, I see some blue skies in the distance. It's been absolutely pouring. Couldn't even see there for a little bit. I almost pulled over. These mountain rides in the rain, it can get a little sketchy, and you always think about landslides too. All right, guys, let me just show you on the map here in case you want to do this road trip. So we left Iloilo and came down the coast here, cut across, and then rode the Antique coast all the way up to this little town called Culasi, which was where we were staying for the night, and then heading over to this little island here called Mararison Island. Just so you know, if you want to do a quicker route or just a more direct route, I think it's one of these highways will just take you straight up and over up to Boracay. But I highly recommend going the route that we took to the Antique coast. Unbelievable. We timed it out perfectly with sunset. You know, sunsetting over the ocean with that golden glow, covering everything, the rice fields, the mountains. It was fantastic, and it just kept going and going, one view after another. As we got closer to Mararison Island, we pulled over because the sun was about to set and we wanted to get out onto the beach. We found a little cut through so we can just chill and enjoy the sunset before heading into Culasi for the night. Good morning, everybody. I'm in a little town called Culasi at the public market, shopping for bags, like simple bags with zippers to get organized. You know, when you're traveling and road tripping, things get just piled in. You don't know where anything is, so I have a plan. I'm gonna get a few extra bags. I have the car now so I can organize and store everything. And then when we're going into hotels or Airbnbs, rather than just like lugging everything in and trying to empty it out and figure out where everything is, system, baby, organized system of bags. Absolute score so far. This is good for like bathroom related things you want to see, right? Pharmacy related stuff. That's good too.
You can get this.
Okay, yeah, get two of those. Okay, we found a couple of good ones there. I think I just found the land of bags, guys. Oh yeah, jackpot. Here we go. Oh, I don't think I've ever been so excited about shopping for a bag before, but I think I found what I'm looking for. Just this kind of stuff, guys. Does it have a zipper? It has a zipper, it's a win. Oh, it's got a zipper. That's exactly what we need. All right, I've never been so excited about buying bags. That is a backpack holding all the other bags. We're going to get organized and then it's island time. Now we're gonna head down to the port here. I don't know if it's like a ferry or a little mini pimp boats to get over to this island. This is totally winging it, guys. We're looking for the boats. Where are the boats to take us over there? I see a few boats over here. All right, we figured it out. There's a tourism office right here. Come in here and register. I'm gonna get the details and we're gonna come back later. Oh, I'm psyched. We figured it out. We got our captain. Our captain is fired up. We're all fired up. Are you fired up? Yeah. Okay, we're heading out on one of these bad boys. Short ride. He was just saying you can actually camp out there, so I bet that's pretty cool. I guess this is our boat. No? Oh. Oh, we became friends and now we're not even with you. All right. We have a new captain. It is hot summer day. Thank you. Thank you, sir. We're back on a boat. Back on a boat. We like being on boats. Lots of opportunities to be on boats when you're traveling around thousands. How many islands are here? Thousands of islands. 7,000 islands. Thank you, sir. All right. Woo! We have arrived, Mararison Island. Guys, look at this. It's a nothing boat ride. That took like maybe 10 minutes, and we're on a sandbar at Mararison Island, an island that I didn't even know existed until yesterday morning before we took off on our little road trip towards Boracay. And what a nice way to break up the trip. I don't like long drives, so this is perfect. And we get a little add-on, a little addition. Let's check it out. Sandbar time. We're just gonna walk it. Come with me. Hey, it even has a banana boat. Ooh. And the captain just said the reef is right out there. What a beautiful place, you guys. Now, if you travel around the Philippines, you know these little islands are literally everywhere. I was traveling around Leyte. There's several around that island. Just everywhere you go, they have these little random islands with little beaches, clear water, kind of dreamy. I have a lot of these dreamy moments over the last 3.5 years. A lot of tropical dreamy moments. Come live it with me, guys. Come to the Philippines. I love that light, clear, white sand, and then it goes dark where it starts to drop off. Oh my God, it's crystal clear. Oh, I love it. You know, hey, we all have our happy place, right? A tropical island, a tropical beach with clear salt water. It just does something to me. It does something to my soul. I don't know how to explain it. Do you feel it? Do you feel it?
Yeah,
My God, I just want to cry.
Guys, I feel it. Wow, it's like a paradise.
Paradise. We're gonna go right up to the end here, just because we have to plant the flag right at the end. Just to throw it out, just because it reminds me a little bit, White Island in Camigan Island. It is premium sandbar island. If you've never been, it's beauties. We're gonna hike to the top of that. It's a lookout tower with some pretty cool photo opportunities to shoot back here at the sandbar with the view of the coastline. They got snacks. They don't have full restaurants here, but they do have little snack options. Pretty limited. I wonder if people live here full time. Well, probably actually. Look at that. That looks like a regular full-time lived-in house right there. So where do we go if we want to hike? Let's ask. Let's go back here. Hello.
Oh, hello there.
Hi, good afternoon. Anybody work here? Oh, this is just a charging station. So people do live here. Look at this, guys. This is not what I expected. It's like a little village back here. Yeah, people live here full time. It is a very tiny island, but little sorry. That's the village goose right there. The village goose. Hello, good afternoon.
Excuse me, ate. Pwede magtanong. Paano po kami nakapunta ng mag-hike po kami?
Over here? Yeah, it goes way back there. It's so cool. It's just a little province village. Over here. Hello. We're trying to find how to get to the hike. There's a lookout tower, yeah? Oh, you need a tour guide? Ah, okay. Let's do this. We got our hiking shoes on, Filipino hiking shoes. Yeah, that's way better. You know, this video is just evolving. We're just gonna tour the island village. We all know what a beach looks like, but not everyone has been in the back village of little mini island life.
My name, sir, is
Janita, nice to meet you.
Daisy and Chad, ate.
Wow, nice to meet you, sir.
Daisy May and Chatty May. It's cool, right? You guys like seeing this stuff. Like, we're gonna do the hike. I'm gonna show you the beautiful view, but this is I kind of like this stuff. I think you guys appreciate it too. Hi, good afternoon. Hi. Hi. Hi.
We have water, ate.
Sorry.
Kulang lang.
We're gonna need more though.
Well,
You want to throw that one out?
yeah.
Yeah, let's get another water real quick. Hello. Going to be making a lot of these raw videos, guys, while I'm traveling. The editing takes so long.
There's no electricity here, so the
Oh, that's
water's
fine.
not-
No
that's
problem.
fine.
Just a brownout. Oh, okay.
3 days.
3 days, no power. Wow. Hey, buddy. Did you grow up here?
Yes, yes.
As a little kid, you were here?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
46 years old now.
How old?
46.
46. You look 26.
Way.
And you've always lived on this island. You never moved away?
No.
Always here. You like it, eh? Simple life.
Yeah, simple life.
That's good. And you have good friends and family? Perfect. Wow, that's just, I didn't expect it. I didn't know that. We were wondering if anyone lived here. We didn't know it would be like this huge community, a full barangay of different families. Wow, look, guys, it just goes on. Is there a church
No.
on this island? Is there a church?
They have.
They have?
There's a church.
This is the church? Just the one church, eh? For the whole island?
No, they are...
Multiple?
They are,
There it is.
two church, but, Catholic and born again.
How you doing? What's up, bro? She's carrying a leg. Hey, what's up? I'm such a foreigner. I'm wearing, guys, look what I'm wearing as I walk through here. I think I stand out.
May malamig kayo na tubig, ate. Isa
Yeah,
lang?
yeah, let's get one for sure. Let's do it. So what's the population on this island?
It's 100 plus something.
800 plus?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a lot.
200.
And what's the main food source? Is there a lot of fishermen out there every day bringing fish back?
Yeah, fishing.
That's your main protein?
Yeah.
Is fish? Yeah, of course. A basketball court here.
Simple life.
What's up, guys? Good afternoon. Let's see your shot. No pressure. Come on. Oh! One more. Let's go. Yeah, nice one. Good job. Hey, bud. Look at this guy. Oh, okay. All right, I didn't see that one tied up. All right, I'm out of here. Sorry, buddy. Who's the fisherman? Are you the fisherman? Wow. Is this for dinner?
What happened?
Good tuna.
Yes.
Good afternoon.
Oh, good afternoon.
Look at all of that, guys.
Even if it's small island.
Baby chickens. Well, you know what a fire looks like, but I like fires. Hey, more chickens. Native chicken. I'm a foreigner. I'm from another country. I've never seen a chicken before. It's definitely laundry day. Oh my God. Everyone's drying their laundry today. Imagine. Fix that up a little bit. Do a little landscaping and boom! Ocean front.
Boom!
And reef right out there. Oh, look at the buoys. That's where the reef is. Best coral right there. Let's go. It's a little bit of a technical, rocky, lots of roots. And then after maybe 3 or 4 minutes, we come across a staircase. We wanted to work out today. We're getting our exercise. So we're out of breath. So we hike for, I don't know, 8 minutes. We're all, why are you tired? You do this every day. All right, it's just kind of interesting. There's an elementary school right here. And then the hike continues this way. It's getting good, guys. We're getting up closer to that viewpoint. I can see the ocean now. Look at that. Oh, wow. What's that other island? Is that another?
Islands.
3 islands?
Yes. Mararison, Batbatan, and other one is Maningning.
And there's people living on every island?
Yeah.
If you do these kind of things, or even if you never thought of this, make your plans outside of just the obvious, right? Boracay is obvious. Yeah, we're gonna go. It's been 3.5 years. I've been here in the Philippines, and I don't want to say I've avoided it, but I keep doing these kind of things, and I love this stuff. It's beautiful. It's not busy with tourism. People aren't like hustling you, trying to sell you stuff. Just intermingling with the locals. We're having a good time.
future plant called. Future plant. Like, you know, sir?
What?
Something, you know.
What?
Oh, it looks like yours, John.
And when I'm in cold water.
Yeah, they have a water inside. If you thirsty, you must try to drink this. Like.
Oh, look at you get a little. Wow, look at that, guys.
Pag nakataklo lang siya,
It
pwede na
holds
siya
water
mainom,
from
malinis
rain.
siyang tubig, ana.
Holds water.
Amo ni
is
siya nga
amazing.
ano tanom ang kakauog ka ng mga
Just a few
insekto.
drops, but that'll keep you alive. That is really cool. What did we find now?
Berry man siya.
Is there any? Oh, berries?
Yeah.
What are they?
Duhat. In Tagalog, duhat.
See?
But I don't know how in English.
And it's
berry.
sweet. Can you hand me one? Yeah, I definitely want to try.
Hold this.
Nang ano lang. I get you.
Give me a nice, ripe, juicy one.
Kanang ko ang baka ng ilanggam ba?
What's this called?
Lumboy.
Lumboy. Oh, you're covered in ants.
Tagalog, duhat. But
they're
I
not
don't know
gonna
how
bite
in
me.
English.
We're friends.
Okay.
Try.
All right,
Like
let's give this a go.
blueberries, like that.
Like blueberries. I love blueberries. A little tart. Very edible. Not super sweet, but if it's very ripe, it gets very sweet.
Yeah.
Wow, we're learning how to survive on your island. Maybe we'll stay. The home stretch. It's getting steep. Oh, it's getting good. Whew, we're huffing and puffing. I just tried talking to her. I wasn't recording, but my words wouldn't come out clearly. It was half huffing, half talking. Woo! Oh, I'm a happy camper. This is beautiful. We're not even there. It just gets better and better. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm used to this.
Yeah, living in the mountains.
Yeah.
That was an amazing hike.
But so tired.
So tired, so worth it. It makes it that much better. Oh, we can finally see the other side properly. Wow. Oh my God. Speechless. Breathtaking. Spectacular. Oh, look how clear the water is. I don't know if you can see that, but I can see the bottom from here. You can see the patches of coral. That's incredible. Actually, let's look over here. Right to the edge. Oh my God. This is spectacular. Wow. Yeah, I want to swim around this entire island. You know, now that we're doing all this, seeing how big it is, the amount of reef, the hikes, the people, the different beaches. There's another little island right there that's just kind of an offshoot, but that looks like that'd be fun to explore as well. Yeah, why not stay here a night or two and just have a few packed days of living on a little island. Oh, this is great. Guys, I'm going to be doing a lot of these more just raw day in the life kind of videos. Expect a lot of this. I hope you like it. And come here, guys. Come here. You will love it. Boracay, hour and a half that way. But why not stop off at a place like this with a nice tour guide like Janita? We'll show you around. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. More videos to come. Stay tuned. Woo! Guys, double ending, because I just wanted to say this. Taking a dip in this beautiful tropical water after an amazing hike. And you know what this feels like? This is called tropical therapy. Get your booties over here, guys, if you need some tropical therapy. And find yourself a beautiful tropical beauty like this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Woo!